May I have the sponsors, MTTM, Royal British International School, representative of VCare, Royal British International School representatives, My Stamina representatives, AV's online store, Coriander Leaf representatives. Mr. Steven, are you here? May I request all the guest OC members, please join me so that we can start with the final and the mega celebration of VCare YSL 2. Friends, it's an honor to host such a grand tournament for all of you. We are really happy with the kind of cricket you played. Till the last ball, it was not sure. Equal marks to both the GC boys as well as Ace Warrior. One game cannot decide your team. You were the champion since beginning. You played really nice. Just a match pressure that you couldn't come up in the batting. Otherwise, you both are champion for us. मैं आपसे माफी चाहूंगा, थोड़ा मैं 5 मिनट लूंगा because रनर अप को सब सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, चैंपियन को सब सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, बट जो मेरी टीम है पिछले 2 महीने से इसके पीछे है, उनके लिए कोई सेलिब्रेट नहीं करेंगे. सो आई वांट टू सेलिब्रेट फॉर देम फर्स्ट. सो आई हैव सम स्मॉल स्पीच. प्लीज बियर मी. सब लोग इंपेशेंट होकर ट्रॉफी उठाना है, इन्हें आपको भी सेलिब्रेट करना है, बट थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिए. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, गुड इवनिंग. Honorable guest, we had His Excellency H.C. Gimire, Ambassador of Nepal, but he went because it's too late for him. We have with us the Vice President of Myanmar Cricket Federation, Wu Chocha, the consultant and the Chief Operating Officer of Myanmar Cricket Federation, Bappi. We have representative from Royal British International School, our title sponsor VCare. Welcome for this exciting celebration of VCare YSL 2. It has been an incredible tournament for us, one of the largest and the mega event in Myanmar when it comes to the sports of cricket. We got this compliment from the Myanmar Cricket Federation. Thank you so much, Uchocho, for this compliment. I would like to thank all the participating teams, the players, friends, families, and all those supported us since the beginning. A special mention of my organizing team. Without them, it was not possible. You can see for last 1.5 months, they are putting their efforts. The special thing about this OC is that we are honest to ourselves, we are honest to each other, and we are honest for the sports of cricket. That's why this tournament was possible. The budget of this tournament was more than 1100 lakh, and I'm happy to share that with the surplus of 15 lakh, we have done successfully this tournament because of the management, hard work of my organizing committee. In 2018, we started the Football League. 2019, second season of Futsal League. 2020, during the COVID, Gopi was working on the Pinlon pitch. I was parallelly working on the Box Cricket League. When we met first time, I said, let's do something together. And you can see the first indoor tournament organizing by my organizing committee member. The first open ground cricket tournament in 2023, YSL 1, was because of my organizing committee. In now 2025, you have witnessed, I will not say much about this one, you have witnessed something extraordinary because of my organizing committee member. I would like to invite them here for, so these are the faces actually. Aditya Kedia, please join me. So the audience can see the faces behind this tournament. Anil Vyas is in India. Anil Bhai, thank you so much for your contribution. If you are seeing me, thanks a lot. May I have Bhupendra Negi, please, here. Brahma Raju, please. Gopinath. Someone can take the photograph, please, from RBR. Ninadia, koi to ek photograph le lo hamare liye. Brahma Raju, is there? Gopinath. Mirawali Sheikh. Asrarun Nabi. Pramod Nair. Pranay Joshi. Rahul Bisi and Yash Bagadia. So ये सब लोग हैं, those who are working behind the stage for success of this tournament. Huge round of applause for my organizing committee. My team, thank you so much, guys, and this is because of us. Can we show the victory sign for the success of this tournament? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Now we are people are waiting. I'll start with the memento presentation to our sponsors. First, I'd like to invite the Vice President of Myanmar Cricket Federation. Please join us to collect the memento. Mr. Gopinath will hand over the memento to Myanmar Cricket Federation for accreditation and recognizing this league as an official league in collaboration with Myanmar Cricket Federation. They supported us with a cricket mat, umpire. Thank you, Uchocho, for your contribution. Gopinath ji will present the memento, a token of appreciation. Photograph, please, Sainath. Sairaj. Thank you so much. Gopi, please stay here only. May I request VCare, representative from VCare Pharmacy, please come and collect. The operation director of VCare Pharmacy, please join us. After this, I request Mr. Ian from Royal British International School to collect the memento. First, VCare will collect our title sponsor, Mr. Prashant Verma's chain of pharmacies. She is representing VCare Pharmacy. Thank you so much. Our broadcasting partner, Royal British International School, you can see such a wonderful footage. You are enjoying the replays your family is seeing because of Royal British International School. Thank you so much. Ian, please come and collect the memento. Congratulations for your successful participation and success of this tournament. May I request Nabi to hand over the next mementos. Coriander Leaf, Mr. Steven, the general manager of Coriander Leaf, will collect the award. They sponsored us Purple Cap, the Safe Hands, and as well as many other hoardings. They contributed 100 lakhs for this tournament. Naresh ji, if you are watching, thank you so much. Anamika, thank you so much for your contribution. May I request Dr. Seetal to hand over the next memento, please. Dr. Seetal is a community leader and the managing director of Reflecia, one of the leading travel agency in Myanmar. It will be presented to Garuda Lubricants. Kedia uncle, please collect the award on behalf of Vijay Kumar Kedia. Kedia uncle, please आइए आप award लीजिए. Garuda, all the jerseys, player kit is sponsored by Garuda Lubricants. Thank you so much, Kedia family, for your generous contribution. Congratulations, uncle. Thank you. आप आदि को देख रहे थे, cheer कर रहे थे, इसलिए शायद आप मैच जीते. आप lucky रहे आदि के लिए. आप बने रहिए, uncle. KBS Impex is also one of our sponsor and supporter. Dr. Seetal, please. और एक award hand करना उनको. Thank you, Kedia family, KBS Impex, for your participation. Thank you. Thank you, uncle. Now, I request Brahma Raju to hand over the next memento. It's for Vijay Kumar Shekhawat. He's a representative promoter of Shekhar Overseas and Division, one of our key sponsor. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद विजय जी. ब्रह्मा राजू हमारी ओसी की ओर से आपको ये अवार्ड देंगे, मेमेंटो देंगे, टोकन ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड. गोल्डन मून से कोई है? आई थिंक देर इज नो वन. विल गिव इट टू विपिन. विपिन जी, अगर आप हमें देख रहे हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन स्पॉन्सरशिप ऑफ प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट एंड मैन ऑफ द मैच के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. थैंक यू सो मच विपिन गुप्ता एंड गोल्डन मून कंपनी. आई रिक्वेस्ट नबी टू हैंड ओवर टू रॉयल क्रोटॉन. रॉयल क्रोटॉन, प्लीज कलेक्ट योर मोमेंट. ही इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ आवर स्पॉन्सर, द टीम स्पॉन्सर ऑफ एस वॉरियर एंड मैवरिक्स, एज वेल एज स्पॉन्सर ऑफ अदर ट्रैवल इक्विपमेंट्स. Co-owner of Ace Warrior along with Vijay Aditya. Congratulations, Yash, for victory and successful tournament. I request Mr. Neeraj Pandey to collect the on behalf of My Stamina. Neeraj Pandey ji. Nabi, please hand over the memento to Neeraj bhai. Neeraj bhai has been supportive since beginning. He's representing Mr. Robin, who is the sponsor for we will see the movie or match free of cost from the Rangoon Cineplex. They were also sponsor for our Maximum Boundaries. My Stamina Boundary. Thank you, Neeraj bhai, for encouragement, moral encouragement as well as monetary encouragement. Thank you so much. Now I request Mr. Rangarajan to collect the award. MTTM Integrated Shipping Company. Mr. Rangarajan, may I have you here, please? Thank you. Aditya Kedia to present the memento. He's our sponsor for Super Striker of the match and Super Striker of the tournament. Thank you, Rangaji, for your sponsorship and support. Aditya, stay here. I request Yash Doshi to collect the award, a memento on behalf of EcoAsia company. Yash Doshi, may I have you here, please? I think he went back. We'll hand over the award later on. Thank you, Yash bhai. Last few. AV's online store, anybody's here? Vikram Bhaiya, thank you so much for your support and contribution. I'll hand over the memento later on if you are not here. Fine Ply, Karan Bansal, thank you so much Karan, please आके memento लीजिए आप. I request Meerawali to hand over the memento. Please Meerawali. Karan, plywood का cost I know कितना होता है Karan एक plywood का cost?
Can't say right now.
So, it was customized one. He made the pitch look very good, equal for the batsman and bowler because of Karan. Thank you so much, Fine Ply. रॉयल टीम टी जिन्होंने हमें स्कैफोल्डिंग स्पॉन्सर की, सब लोगों ने मॉनिटरी नहीं दिया बट सबने कुछ लोगों ने काइंड्स में स्पॉन्सर किया. तो वन ऑफ द स्पॉन्सर्स विद स्कैफोल्डिंग फॉर दिस टूर्नामेंट फ्रॉम रॉयल टीएमटी 21 कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी लिमिटेड. somebody is there? Okay, we'll hand over to them. Thank you so much. And with this we're finished with the sponsors memento. All the sponsors, thank you so much. आपके बिना ये टूर्नामेंट नहीं हो पाता. उसके अलावा I would like to name वरुण चतुर्वेदी जी. मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि वी हैव लॉट ऑफ वेल विशर्स. देयर आर मेनी पीपल, उन्होंने एनोनिमसली डोनेट किया. एक्चुअली दे सेड कि आप कम्युनिटी के लिए कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हो, यू हैव द विजन, आई हैव सीन यू वर्किंग इन योर टीम. सो ये मेरे टीम पे ट्रस्ट था कि नरेश जी ने विदाउट आस्किंग एनी स्लॉट्स 100 लाख दिए, वरुण भैया ने 100 लाख दिए. मैंने बोला भैया ब्रांड, तो भैया बोले इट्स आउट ऑफ पॉकेट फॉर योर गुड जर्नी. सो थैंक यू सो मच वरुण भैया फॉर योर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन विदाउट एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड कंडीशंस. तो फाइनली YUSC, आई रिक्वेस्ट YUSC ग्राउंड स्टाफ, जो बाउंड्री लगाना सारी चीजें में हेल्प करना, दे हेल्प अस अलॉट. एक बार इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. प्लीज कम भाई, मौले कम. दे हैव डन वेरी गुड जॉब. आदित्य, प्रणय टू हैंड ओवर दिस अवार्ड. प्रणय वाज कम्युनिकेटिंग विद देम. प्रणय प्लीज कम फ्रॉम हियर. थैंक यू सो मच. Congratulations, Chezubako. They have helped us a lot in all the situations. They made the ground ready within 30 minutes when we needed. Thanks a lot. Now I request the umpires. Shakib, please come here. There are some gift vouchers from Coriander Leaf Restaurant. Shakib has been supportive since beginning as an umpire. Thank you so much, Shakib bhai. Aditya will present the gift voucher from Coriander Leaf. Thank you, Shakib bhai. Kotuya, please join and collect your gift voucher. La la la. Thank you so much. Mr. Gomes and the other umpires who helped us will hand over the gift voucher later on. Rahul was our OC member, so he'll celebrate with us in separate way. Rahul, you have other awards. Okay, so with this I'm done with the mementos. I request Gopinath to present the match awards and then the tournament award. Then we'll have the celebration.
I think nail-biting finish in the last over. It was quite close match. Both displayed high-quality cricketing performance on the field, and it was the best final, I would say. And today's result, so GC boys won the toss, chose to field. That was much-needed toss for GC boys. Well strategic decision to field and put Ace Warriors into the batting. Though initially throughout the tournament, Ace Warriors have managed to win all the chasing matches, but today they displayed, even though the score was not that high, 65 for 5 in 10 overs, but they pulled it off very well in the bowling unit. So Ace Warriors 65 for 5, top score by Nirmal 30. On the bowling side, Jitendra Pathak captured 2 wickets. Chasing 65, low target, but GC managed to score only 63 for 7 in their 10 overs. Jitendra Pathak again 14 runs and Mrinal 13 runs. On the bowling side, Jabin 2 wickets. So I would like to announce the super striker of the match, which is sponsored by MTTM. Super striker is Nirmal. I request Mr. Rangaraj, Mr. Rangarajan. the owner of MTTM, to hand over the award. Partner of MTTM, to hand over the award. MTTM Super Striker of the match, Nirmal. Man of the match, sponsored by Golden Moon. I request Neeraj Pandey to hand over the award. Mr. Neeraj, if you're here, please join us on the presentation area to hand over the man of the match of this exciting final. For an all-round performance of 1 wicket and 30 runs, it's Nirmal. Very good performance by Nirmal in semi-finals and finals. Thank you very much. Best partnership of the day, of the match, sponsored by Royal British International School. I request the representative from Royal British School to join. Ms. Leila. And the award goes to Mayur and Nirmal for 17 runs. So these are awards given for the day. Since we had only one match, the final match today. So it goes to Mayur and Nirmal for 17 runs. Not out. Thank you. Best economy of the day, sponsored by Royal Croton. I request Yash Bagadia to hand over the award. And it is Manoj Yadav for 3.5 economy. He conceded only 7 runs in his 2 overs. So best economy sponsored by Royal Croton goes to Manoj Yadav. So we are done with the award for the match. So we will move on to the awards for the entire tournament. We have quite a few of. So we have around 6 categories to give away, plus one, the 7th category that was introduced by the camera team. So the best catch of the tournament. And this was judged by the camera team themselves. They managed to see the catch from all the angles. And the best catch was taken by Mr. Chandimal. We have that video posted on the main group. You can watch it. The best catch of the tournament. And I request Dashrath to hand over the best catch of the tournament to Mr. Chandimal. So best partnership of the tournament, sponsored by Royal British International School. Sorry to disturb you, I would request the representative to join again. And this is for the entire tournament. We have top 3 here. At 3rd position is Vishnu and Ninad, 60 runs. At 2nd was Gopi and Dashrath, 61 runs. But the winner of this award is from Mavericks, Imran and Dashrath for 72 runs. That was in the semi-final yesterday. So best partnership of the entire tournament, sponsored by Royal British International School, goes to Dashrath and Imran for 72 runs. On the bowling unit, best bowler of the tournament, which is sponsored by Coriander Leaf. At 3rd position is Viren with 5 wickets. Dashrath at 2nd position with 6 wickets. There is joint 2nd position for Jabin, Aditya and Nirmal as well for 6 wickets. And for the first position, there is a tie. There are two contenders with 7 wickets, but we decided to give it to the bowler with the best economy. The contender was Jitendra Pathak with 7 wickets, but because of best run rate, it goes to Manoj for 7 wickets with an economy of 4.13 for the entire tournament. So it is sponsored by Coriander Leaf. I request Mr. Stephen, manager of Coriander Leaf Group of Restaurants, to hand over the purple cap as well as the memento to Manoj Kumar Yadav for his excellent bowling performance for the best bowler of this tournament. Well played, Manoj. So now on the fielding side, most number of catches, sponsored by again Coriander Leaf and Delhi. So we have a tie here, so I'll not take too many names. At second position, it's a tie between Tun Myat and Jitendra Pathak for 3 catches each. But at the top there is a tie for 3 players, Aman, Rahul and Humayun for 4 catches. But we will give it away to Aman and Rahul because they played less number of matches and captured 4 catches. So the most number of catches award goes to Aman and Rahul. It is a joint award. So probably we will give it away little while later. Okay, we are ready. So I request Stephen to join again to hand over the Aman and Rahul for 4 catches in 5 matches.
Okay. So it's thank you, Gopi. Last few awards, individual awards are there. The one is sponsored by EcoAsia Pharmaceuticals, the orange cap for the highest run scorer. And I'm proud to announce this award. It goes to once again in second consecutive season to Gopi with 141 runs. Second is also from Mavericks, Nabi with 135 runs, but Gopi 6 runs ahead of Nabi will get this award. I request Devendraji to hand over this award, the orange cap to Gopi and the award from EcoAsia. Yes, Doshi, if you are here, you can join. I think he's not here. So Devendraji will present this award to Gopi. The orange cap holder with 141 runs. Second place, Nabi 135. Jabin at number 3, 122. And Viren also is with the same 122 runs by sub. I request Mr. Rangarajan to come here and hand over the super striker of the tournament. May I have the awards ready, please? Okay. Rangaji, please join us. The award for the MTTM presents super striker of the tournament for the maximum 6s. Again, it goes to Gopi with 12 6s. Gopinath from Mavericks. Congratulations, Gopi. The number 1 is Gopi with 12 6s, Nabi with 10 6s, and Jabin at third with 8 6s. Again, Viren sharing the spot with Jabin with equal number 8 6s, followed by Yes Doshi with 7 6s. Now, the most important award, I request Gopi, please come and hand over this, present this award.
Thank you very much, Dashrath. Okay. I request Bapida to join me on the stage to hand over the player of the tournament, which is sponsored by Golden Moon. There was close contest, lot of all-round performance in batting, bowling, fielding, and there were 3 top contenders. I would like to name all 3 and then announce the winner so that we know who were the strong contenders for this tournament. It was Nabi from Mavericks. All-round performance, very good overall batting, bowling and leading the team. The second contender was Viren Again, leading the team, overall very good performance from batting, bowling and fielding and keeping as well. But ultimately the winner, we decided to give it away for the overall winning performance, who single-handedly took the entire responsibility of this tournament. Jabin, who has shown exceptional performance, not only batting, not only bowling, but also the fielding. And we have decided to give it away to Jabin. The player of the tournament, presented by Golden Moon, goes to Jabin Bunia.
So now we'll present the medals and trophy to the runner-up. I will not call runner-up because they are joint champion, because I really appreciate your performance, guys. Just one match cannot decide. It was very close, just 2 runs. Defeat is not a defeat. So both the teams, congratulations again. Now I request the Viren, the captain, please come and share your experience throughout this journey. You have been fantastic, Viren. You are one of the contenders for the player of the tournament. Unfortunately, your team did not lift the trophy. So over to you, Viren. Message to your team members, your family, and your friends watching you.
First of all, thank you. Thanks a lot to organizing committee for conducting such a wonderful tournament. I really appreciate. They've done a commendable job. And then I congratulate the Karan and his team. They really played well today, and they stopped us chasing 65 runs, which is very good. And Karan has done a very good thing by giving Manoj a first and third over. And that was a really master stroke from Karan. And then after that, our batting collapsed, and then close run-outs and all this, because of which we lost the match. It was a good match. Both the team played really well, and it's just a matter of 2 or 3 runs. We would have won this tournament if we not have some run-outs or so like that. And then I say about my JC Boys team, they have done really wonderful throughout the tournament. Really, I appreciate each one of you. We had a very greatest bowling attack here, but couldn't win, because even such a good bowling attack, we could not win this tournament. It's just a jinx, we have to break it. And anyway, next time we'll do it. Thank you very much.
Wait here, Viren. And I agree with my analysis for this match is that GC Boys is like a South Africa. They're excellent players, but in finals, I can see you were under pressure. That's the reason you lost. Otherwise, you had a wonderful bowling attack, wonderful batting, but just because of a couple of wickets fell down and you collapsed. And full marks to them also, because I'm not taking away their credit. They bowled really well. There is one correction. Actually, we have to give the award to the winning side also for the best player of the tournament. But we cannot deny Viren's effort. So there was mistake. I wrote down Viren's name also, but Gopi could not read out. So he's also joint winner of the player of tournament with Jabin. So Viren for his all-round captaincy, wicket keeping, bowling, batting and leading your team. So Viren is also this one. I missed it. When I checked this one, his name was not pronounced. So it was joint award. I request Gopi to hand over this award. The player of the tournament jointly with Jabin, Viren, for his excellent performance in all the departments, bowling, batting, keeping and wonderful captaincy to keep the morale high. I request you stay here only, Viren. You hand over your trophy. I request the Vice President of Myanmar Cricket Federation, Dr. Seetal, please come here. Can I have the medals of runner-up, please? Can I have the medals one by one? U Chocha, the Vice President of Myanmar Cricket Federation, Dr. Seetal, the community leader and one of the well-known name in the diplomatic community as well as in the Indian society. May I request Viren, U Chocha sir, please put the medals to the winning team. Actually, it's winning. Both of them were winner for me. So runner-up for the We Care by ISL, please put up the medal. Congratulations, GC boy. One by one. Kishore bhai, please join. Rohit bhai, one by one, please come here. Viren bhai, please यहाँ पर आइए आप. Dr. Seetal, आइए one by one. चलते रहिए. रोहित भाई, please आप आइए. सुमित भाई, प्रेम जी, मृणाल भाई, रवि, रौनक, प्रदीप, both the Pradeeps, Jitendra ji, Ashu, congratulations. Dr. Seetal will present some medals. Congratulations, boys. Wonderful tournament for Sumit Srivastav. Seetal ji ko dijiye kuch medal. Thank you, Uchocho ji. Now, Dr. Seetal will give some medal. आप Shashank, one of the best finds. Mrinal Khajuria, one of the best cricketers in Myanmar. Ravi ji, wonderful fielding performance and some of the big shots. Pathak ji, again yet another surprise. Viren said in the beginning they have a lot of surprise, so he is one of them. Wonderful bowler. Ronak Shah, again a good teammate for GC boys. Pradeep, he started opening and showed some class. Well done, Pradeep. आशु, आपका नाम आशु या आशु है? आशु, ओके। आशु भैया बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग करी आपने, फील्डिंग सही करी, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। अमित त्यागी, लास्ट ओवर में वो छक्का मारकर ऑलमोस्ट सबके हार्ट बीट्स बढ़ा दिए थे। वेल डन, फील्डिंग में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया अमित भाई अपने लॉन्ग ऑन लॉन्ग ऑफ पे, वेल डन। भेरू भाई प्लीज आइए। प्रदीप प्लीज ज्वाइन, ही केम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम कंबोडिया टू चीयर फॉर हिज टीम। एक बार प्रदीप के लिए तालियां होनी इसके स्पिरिट के लिए। प्लीज आप सर्कल में बनाइए, एक फोटो ले लेते हैं साथ में। टीम फोटो ऑफ रनर ऑफ वी केयर YSL। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस गाइस। थोड़ा वो कोल्ड क्रैकर से वहां पर उसके सामने मत कर रही है। रनर अप का आई रिक्वेस्ट Uchocho टू हैंड ओवर द रनर अप ट्रॉफी टू द GC बॉयज। फर्स्ट टीम फोटो एंड उसके बाद ट्रॉफी। फोटो होने दीजिए उनका। एक बार जोरदार ताली GC बॉयज के लिए। रनर अप अगेन, कंटिन्यूसली 3 बार फाइनल्स में खेले हैं, अनबीटन रहे हैं। फाइनल्स में थोड़ा बहुत चूक हो जाती है, बट दे हैव डन फैंटास्टिक जॉब गाइस, वंडरफुल। वी आर प्राउड ऑफ यू एंड यू रेज द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ YSL। सो ह्यूज कांग्रेचुलेशंस फ्रॉम बोसी साइड, कांग्रेचुलेशंस, यू आर लुकिंग रियली गुड इन दिस यूनिफॉर्म एंड द मेडल्स। Uchocho, the Vice President of Myanmar Cricket Federation, will hand over the award to GC boys। एक बार जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए गाइस GC boys के लिए। The runner up of We Care YSL 2। एक बार ट्रॉफी के साथ फोटो सबका। थैंक यू Uchocho जी। एक बार ट्रॉफी के साथ फोटो सब लोग प्लीज। द रनर ऑफ वी केयर YSL 2 ब्रॉट यू बाय रॉयल ब्रिटिश इंटरनेशनल स्कूल। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। Congratulations guys, you have all the reasons। आप वहां पर ये लेके जा सकते हैं। You can do the photography over there also, it's free ground, you can use that for the photographs। Congratulations once again। Now it's time, may I request Bapi ji, Uchocho ji, Dr. Seetal, please आप यहाँ पर आइए, please join me। Mr. Bapi for Myanmar Cricket Federation। Ian from Royal British International School, please come and help us to put the medals to the winners। यहाँ पर सर थोड़ा सा बीच में आइए, सेंटर 1 by 3 मेडल आप डालिए, 3 मेडल आप, 3 medals। So I'll call the captain of AS Warrior, the champions of We Care YSL 2, please आप आइए यहाँ पर। Your message to your team, opponents and all the people watching you live across Myanmar and India, and maybe across the world as well. Few of the friends are in Europe also.
Thank you very much, Dashrath. First of all, I would like to congratulate GC boys. What a tournament they have had, guys. We lost 2 games to them. Today was a lucky day for us, but the way you guys played throughout the tournament, you deserve all the cheers for that. And I'm sure you have been 3 times runners-up, but the kind of team you have, like all the individuals standing there, you will very soon have the trophy in your hands. Congratulations for that, guys. Okay, secondly, coming to my team, Ace Warriors, I think it was a very short tournament. We just met like last Wednesday first time, before the tournament started on Friday. So we didn't, many of us even didn't know each other, not even the names. But we gelled up very fast. And that's the best thing about this tournament. You don't have time. Whoever gels fast, whoever brings their best combination, they go on to the last leg of the tournament. So luckily for us, our players, whoever were given responsibility at whatever stage of the tournament, they took that responsibility from both their hands. And that is why I think we are standing here right now and lifting this trophy. So congratulations the whole team for supporting my decisions, for supporting the management decisions. Many of the players, they didn't get to play at all, but I see smiling faces there because they're happy that at end of the day, the team is the winner. That spirit is the winner. So congratulations, Ace Warriors. Very happy for this team. And lastly, coming to cricket. The real winner is cricket here. The real winner is cricket, the way this tournament is organized, the OC. Whatever you people do behind this is just unimaginable, I would say. Like working along and then doing such things behind. I was not part of the second tournament, but from YSL 1 to YSL 2, like you have taken the level from year to year. Not sure like what will be YSL 3 like. The lights, the like extraordinary camera works and everything. Just guys, hats off to you guys, whatever you have been doing behind. There will always be a winner. There will be 6 teams, one will be the winner. But the guys, those who are organizing this tournament, you guys are the real winners because cricket is the winner here. Thank you everyone, like the guests, the chief guest and everyone, the sponsors who really made this tournament a big success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Karan, for your kind words. So Uchocha will put the medals to the winning captain, the champions. Karan Bansal, please come here. I request next Vijay Bhai, please come and collect the medal. Uchocha sir, please put the medals to Vijay, one of the best supporter for the team. Congratulations, Vijay Bhai. यहाँ पर आइए. I request Aditya Kedia, the find of the tournament in bowling department. Congratulations, Aditya. I request next Manoj Bhai, please, one by one आइए. Ruhan Bhai, Ninad, please line up. Humayun sir, Vishnu Bhai, Nitin, Uma Mahesh, Mayur, Abhay, Jabin, Nirmal, Yash. Bapi sir. Bapi ji will put the medal to Ninad. Wonderful batsman. Humayun Kabir, the wicketkeeper of AS Warriors. Congratulations, Humayun. Congratulations, AS Warriors, the champions of VKR YSL 2, brought to you by Royal British International School. Dr. Seetal to put some medals. Jabin, congratulations for wonderful performance in the tournament. One of the key success factor for AS Warriors. Jabin. Uma Mahesh, very good in field today. Took crucial runouts. Mayur Buwad with his small baby. Last time he cancelled the trip to Bangkok. This time he cancelled the trip to Amsterdam for this tournament. Nirmal, the star performer in semi-final and finals. Abhay. Thank you so much, Dr. Seetal. Thank you so much, Bapi ji. Yash Bagadia, again the source of inspiration. He's the best owner of AS Warrior. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Seetal. Thank you, Bapi ji. Yeah, photograph with them, please. Photograph with the guests. 2 layers. Guests to be in the center. आधे लोग आगे बैठ सकते please. First I say without this one. So guys, huge round of applause for the champions of VKR YSL 2 brought to you by Royal British International School. Guys, you deserve wonderful victory. Congratulations. Party hard. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Bapi ji. Thank you, Dr. Seetal. Uchocha to stay here for the presentation, please. Please wait. Uchocha ji यहाँ पर ही है. I request the representative of VKR Pharmacy, please join us for your title sponsor from the Royal British International School. Who is going to come for the trophy handover? Someone from Royal British International School. Okay, Leila will join us, and our title sponsor along with the Myanmar Cricket Federation Vice President. will hand over the trophy of champions to Ace Warrior. Please hand over the trophy. Uchocho, please join. VK also, please join. So they will present the winner's trophy to the captain of champions of VK YSL 2, brought to you by Royal British International School. Congratulations, Ace Warrior. Congratulations, Karan. Here comes the champions. Photography chalti rehni chahiye. Capture these moments. Here comes a surprise from OC. Champion for you. Can we have? गाने लगाओ कोई तो, प्रमोद जाके गाने लगाओ वहां पर प्लीज.